Hello, today we're going to be talking about how you can reframe your default thoughts. And you can do this through the 3 C's: challenge, change, and choice. So we all have certain thoughts that potentially from our childhood, we have gained internalized, and they are brain loops that go round and round in our heads. Now, in a previous video, I asked you to think about what your most common thoughts are. So I will link in the description that video so you can have a look further into default thoughts. So when we know and we have built up that self-awareness, again, there's a video on the importance of self-awareness and understanding what our default thoughts are. Once we have an awareness of what our default thoughts are, we are then able to tackle them and think, actually, okay, are they actually true? So that's the first C, is challenge. So let's go for a default thought of I'm not good at maths. Okay, that's a thought that I think I'm not good at maths. So what then we have to do in our internal conversation in our mind, and sometimes it's actually really good to have this conversation with someone else. So in my teen coaching, we often go through this little, this little exercise with something like football's better than rugby or something like that. I then ask the teen to challenge it and say, no, football's not better than rugby, rugby's better than football. And then they might change the statement, they weigh up pros and cons of the statement, then they might change it, and then they have a choice whether to believe the original statement or the new improved statement. So with my teen coaching, there's a link in the comments as well if you want to book a one-to-one or have a little chat about your child and whether you think this might be useful. So we've got our original statement, I don't like maths. So challenge that. Think about, okay, right, let's weigh up the things. Let's weigh them up. Think about the evidence for and against that, and think, actually, okay, for this, I don't like maths because I don't like my teacher, and things like that. That might be, yeah, okay, that confirms that statement. But actually against it, okay, I don't like maths because I'm not good at it. But actually, let's have a look at what you can do rather than things you can't do. And actually, you may find that there is a lot of evidence against the statement that you originally think. Then it's time to think about changing the statement. What if the opposite is true? And then think about that. And then ultimately, we have a choice of whether we believe the original statement or whether we believe the reformed statement. And at the end of the day, no one can force you to believe a new thought. It is your choice. But thoughts come and go, and thoughts affect our feelings. So that's why if we equip our children, our teens, with tools to help them be able to challenge their thoughts, to change their thoughts, and then give them the choice, we are equipping them for a future of success, a future of high achievement, a future of, free from those struggles that maybe we might face from our default thoughts. We're fully equipping them with tools, and that is the best thing that we can do as parents, because we can't make choices for them. They make their own choices, but we can equip them with tools such as the 3 C's to help them when negative thoughts come their way. So as I said, I go deeper into this, either through one-to-one coaching and also some workshops that I will link in the comments. But please, I'd love to know some of your default thoughts and how you're going to challenge them today.